Hi Bond Bakers, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today we thought we could do something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a bloopers reel, so we're going to be ending the year with a bit of a laugh. You can all laugh at me. I haven't seen it myself yet, so my husband, who does the video and editing for the Bond Baker, has been collecting these bloopers for quite some time apparently. So I've seen some of them that are on the end of the videos obviously, but I'm gonna watch the full reel today for the first time myself. So let's just have a laugh together. P.S. I really don't like watching myself back on camera, or you know, like when you hear your voice, it just sounds like, you're like, do I sound like that? So I'm a little bit nervous about watching this video. Here we go. Look, I'm shimmering. Okay, I'll actually start now. Okay, you ready? Hey, the Bond Bakers! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making carrot cake. This is a request to so many of your friends. Sorry, go again.
You all ready for this?
Alright.
You're on.
Forgot what I was gonna say.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Got it. Okay, feel me?
Yep. What do you call that sound?
The slurp.
How's it go?
Is it annoying?
Yes, it's annoying.
Good. Oh no. This one I wanted to do with blue icing, so I'm going to put a bit of, sorry, go again. I feel like I'm doing this. And that last 10 minutes of cooking is going to infuse these potatoes with the beautiful herbs, the fragrant herbs that we've got here. It's going to also, I hate this. The cracks and the sunkenness of it gives it so much more character. Oops. Yay! All right, I've just brought this out of the refrigerator. Sorry, I'll go again. I really hope that you can join me back in the kitchen again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipes, tips, tricks. And there you have it, guys, a really quick and easy Christmas Crispies recipe with white chocolate, coconut. Why can't I get it? Sorry, go again. Some days are just a struggle. All right, so we're going to turn on our, I can't talk today, sorry. If you've got someone that you want to, you know, no. Self-raising flour usually comes with, no, sorry, I'll go again. English is difficult sometimes. I forgot what I was going to say. Just wait a sec, just wait. Oh yeah, okay. Got a runny nose. I love, love, love this frosting. It's perfect for, sorry, can we go again? Well, now this is just plain embarrassing. You might be able to just chop that. If you've got a recipe and you're out of soda, it's okay. Or you can substitute, and it's just 3 times. I don't know. Righto. You try baking and cooking at the same time, talking, doing 50,000 things. I've seen enough. That's it. Where's my outro?